In this video tutorial, I will walk parents through how to view events within the mobile app to see what is going on at their child's school. First, you want to make sure you've downloaded the Houston County School District app from the App Store. Once you have, you should see it on your screen. It's called HCSD on your screen. You're going to click on the app to open. This dot is going to follow us along so you can see different features. It's going to open to your default school on the feed. So next thing you want to do is go over here where Veterans High is and the down arrow. For our example, we're going to use Houston College and Career Academy, but you can scroll to find the school that you would like to view and click on it. So for our example, we're going to Houston County College and Career Academy. From down here in the bottom, you're going to go to More at the bottom right, click on More. For More, you're going to open up the screen and you want to look for events. We're going to click on Events to open. This shows you all of the events going on at the Houston College and Career Academy. From here, you can go back up to the top to look at an event. For this example, we're going to go right here to the Flex competition for information. And once we're on it, you want to click on the text. I'm clicking on Flex competition. And now it will expand all the details about an event going on August 7th at 5:30. It'll tell you all the details related to the event. It may have links in it that you can click on as well to go to information. And then it's going to give you possibly contact information if they put that all in there. Some things may not have much information, but this is a great example to show you what all can be entered by school. From here, you can go down to Share. If I click on Share, it's going to open up a text message. Now I can text all of this information to someone else. If you want to send it to grandmother or aunt for them to attend, let's say a football game, it would have all the information. Just know it's coming through as raw text, so it may look slightly different. It's not going to open in an app. If I hit cancel up at the top, and now I'm going to close that. From here, I'm going to go back up to my Flex one again, click on Flex up here to expand. Now when I scroll back down, you'll see more features. I can also go add to my calendar, which would export to your device to add it to your family calendar. You can also say open in maps. If you open in maps, it'll go to your directions to get you there with your maps. Now I'm going to close this, go back up to the top, and go back into my app. And that's how you view different events within the apps. You do have the option as well. I'm going to go back out and show you a different school. So if we go up to the top and I choose a different school, let's go to Perry Middle, for example. If I go down here to Perry Middle, click on Perry Middle. I'm going back up to events. Once I'm in events, I can see right here all of their events that are going on. As the schools work with this calendar feature, it's brand new to them, so they will be working to add more content throughout the year. If I go over here to the top, there is the option, let me move that dot. If I go over to all on the top left, I'm going to hit the little down arrow. There is an option to filter by categories. So for example, let's say we want to do PMS sporting events. I can click on that as a parent. It'll select the box. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I'm going to click continue, and now it's only going to show me sporting events. I can go back up to the top again, do the down arrow. Let me close that screen. If I go where it says PMS sporting events, little down arrow right here, I'm going to click on that, and then now I can go back to viewing all and say continue, and all the events will come up. So that's how you view events within the Houston County School District app for different schools. Please be patient with our schools as they work to add events. This is a new tool for them, so it's going to take a while for them to get into the pattern of adding events to their calendar with detailed information. But we're excited to bring this feature to you through the Houston County School District app.